Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Shailendra Yadav, your interview coach. Today we are diving into one of the most common yet tricky interview questions. Why are you leaving your current job? Well, we all have been there, right? It's that moment when you are sitting across from the interviewer and you know that how you answer this question can make or break your chances of selection. So let's get into how to answer this question. Here we will discuss 3 contexts where you have to discuss your departure, means those contexts where you have to mention that you are leaving current job, followed by 5 key tips in mastering your job exit. Here we will see tips to keep in mind while answering this question, followed by 5 tailored answers to different roles. So let's get started. Segment 1. 3 contexts where you have to discuss your departure. These are 3 different contexts in which you have to explain why you decided to leave your previous or current job. It includes when filling out a job application form. In a lot of online or offline job application forms, you might find a version of this question. Why do you want to quit your current job? In that, you have to mention a specific reason behind that. Second, during a job interview, one of the most common questions hiring manager asks, why did you leave your last job, or why you want to leave your current job? Because they want to assess more about your reason behind leaving your job. Third, while quitting your current job, if you are about to quit your job, your current employer is probably going to ask you, why are you making this decision? Now come to the segment 2, key tips in mastering your job exit. Here I will tell you 4 tips to keep in mind while answering this question. When hiring manager asks, why are you leaving your current job? Because I want more money? Previous employer was not so good. There was a lot of work pressure. Don't you say this, otherwise you will be fired before selection. When discussing about your current or most recent job, be careful to not sound harsh or unprofessional, or appears to cast the blame on your employer. Be honest, but remember to be diplomatic. It could be as simple as I was laid off, or it might be more complicated. If it is more complicated than a mere layoff, you could say that you are seeking a new professional challenges, growth opportunities, better alignment with your career goals and work preferences, or that you both realize that was not the job for you. Whatever you answer, keep it positive rather than talking about negative aspect of your role. Here are these things you need to keep in mind before answering this question. Tip 1. Focus on growth. First things, focus on growth. You need to highlight your desire for new challenges and growth opportunities. This shows you are ambitious and eager to expand your skills and expertise. Tip 2. Stay positive. Next up, stay positive. It might be tempting to vent about your current job, but it is crucial to frame your answer positively. Avoid criticizing your current employer or colleagues. No one wants to hire someone who might bring a negative vibe to the team. Tip 3. Align with the new role. Then make sure to align your answer with the new role. Mention a specific aspect of the new position or company that excites you and fit your career goal. This shows that you have done your homework and you are genuinely interested in the position. Tip 4. Be honest but tactful. And finally, be honest but tactful. If there are genuine reasons for leaving, like relocation or structural changes, mention them briefly without dwelling on the negative aspect. Keep it straightforward and respectful. Now let's move forward to the last but not the least, segment 3, sample answer. If you have an upcoming interview for these mentioned roles, you can pick this as your answer. Sample answer 1. For data analyst role. During my time at my current company, I have developed a strong skill set in data analysis and quantitative reasoning. While it was a great learning experience, I am ready to join a company that values my skills and allow me to use them more fully. I am excited about the opportunity to work on challenging projects that can have a significant impact on your company's initiatives. Sample answer 2. Software developer role. I have had a great experience at my current company and have learned a lot from my team. However, I am looking to transition into a role that allows me to work on more complex projects, especially with a focus on innovative technologies. I'm particularly excited about the opportunities to work at your company because of your commitment to cutting edge technology and the potential to contribute to high impact projects. Sample answer 3. Marketing manager role. While I have enjoyed working with my current team and have grown in my marketing skill, I am eager to take on new challenges that align more closely with my career aspirations. I am very impressed with the innovative campaign your company has launched, and I am excited about the possibility of being a part of such a creative team where I can further develop my strategic marketing skills. Sales position. I have valued the relationship and the sales skills which I have developed at my current company. However, I am looking for a role that offers a larger market and more diverse project to sell, which I believe will help me grow professionally and reach new milestones. I am impressed by your company's market position and the breadth of your product line. I am eager to contribute to your sales team. Sample answer 5. Human resource role. I have appreciated the opportunities I have had to develop my HR skills at my current company. I am seeking a role where I can focus on more strategic HR initiatives and work in a more collaborative environment. I am particularly interested in your company's emphasis on employee development and innovations, and I'm excited about the chances to contribute to such a forward-thinking team. So these are few sample answers to different roles. These answers focus on growth, alignment with career goals, and excitement about new opportunities while maintaining a positive and professional tone. So there you have it. Remember to tailor your answer based on a specific role you are applying for and make sure it aligns with a job description and company culture. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more job interview tips. Thanks for watching and good luck for your next interview.